most of all, what do you think are the benefits of doing this sort of thing in a group setting?
I think we get to sort of work within the group and work amongst ourselves, kind of bounce ideas off each other, and you know, everyone comes at this stuff from like a different perspective, and we have different knowledges. So it's like the interaction, different experience. The interaction helps us come up with better solutions.
We're able to help each other out when someone gets stuck. So in the future, we can help other people out.
Yeah.
As far as this seminar, what do you think you took from it?
Oh, we don't have enough time.
Do you attend one of these courses again?
Oh yeah.